Hey guys, this is a video about my supplies that came in from WAWAK. First, we have elastic. The braided is for a project that I'm getting ready to do, a dress that I'm going to sew. And the supplies that it called for, your hook and eyes, double bias tape, seam binding, 100%, woven edge, washable. It looks like that. A 24-inch zipper. And here you have these buttons. It's the blazer. It's the blazer eagle buttons. And they're gold. That's a better view. It's several projects that I'm working on. So these are buttons for another project. And they are the flat blouse buttons. Actually, they're listed in the book, the catalog, WAWAK's catalog, as under bridal gowns. And this is a package of boning. The pattern I'm using is calling for some boning. And of course, you know, it's probably a vintage project. And here it says it provides shape and support to strapless garments, bustiers, and swimwear, hand and machine sew. I've never sewn with boning, but this is my first attempt in using it. I'm sure it'll be okay. Follow pattern directions for applying and positioning the boning on garment. So we'll see how that goes. And again, that was my order from WAWAK. It's a company that I use a lot, and they deliver. Their delivery services are great. You don't have to wait a long period of time for your supplies. So here, guys, you're looking at the fabric that I'm working on currently. The black and white polka dots are from Mood. It's a linen material, and they're calling it the black and white oversized polka dot. It's a medium weight linen fabric. This material here is also linen. This fabric came from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and it's called a lino Italian white. This came from Moods, and like I said, I am currently working on items for these two fabrics that I purchased. Wanted you to see them. They look great. I love polka dots, and I love linen. So I didn't get much of this material, this fabric here, but it will accommodate what I need it's accommodate for the pattern. This fabric here, I have 3 yards of it, so I know I have more than enough for the pattern that I'm gonna use for this fabric. So if you want to know what I'm making, stay tuned for the next videos. You will see what it will be. This is a great quality. It's kind of thick. This is your medium weight. Which is a little, it's supposed to be medium weight, but as you can see my finger through that. All in all, I love it. And I think what the plans that I have for this, it will come out perfectly. I forgot to mention these fabrics have not been prepped, so they have to go in the cleaners. I do not wash linen. I put them in the cleaners and get them dry clean. And it's kind of costly, but you want what you want. Hopefully it won't be too bad. And stay tuned for the results of its make. So again, here are the few items that I did order for the projects that I'm currently working on. Thanks for coming. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share the videos. They help support the channel and growing the channel. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye.